So usually whenever you see such things play out on the charts, it is suggesting a very bullish move that is about to come, because we are currently, of course, getting a bearish retest of our symmetrical triangle breakdown, and as well, of course, it's head and shoulders breakdown. But the very interesting thing is that, well, in the very short term right there, we got a perfect retest. Yes, we got our retracement towards the downside. We actually filled our CME gap, and right at that moment, just like we discussed, well, we got a bounce back up towards the upside, and right now we are retesting it once again. And usually whenever you retest a breakdown twice, well, that is rather indicating strength in towards the market than weakness. So you want to be having a look in towards this rather bullish than bearish, actually. And also the other charts are indicating the same exact thing right here. So I want to be talking about that exact. Of course, we have been quite bullish on the Bitcoin price over the past couple of days during this dip, but we wanted to see, of course, more confirmations coming in towards the market. And right now, well, it finally looks like we are coming closer and closer in towards the confirmations we were actually looking for. So, of course, first of all, yeah, we beautifully bounced from of our golden pocket Fibonacci support level right here. We did not yet create any kind of a, bullish divergence right there on the 4-hourly time frame. So that was one confirmation that we were having a look in towards. Well, we did not yet create it. Of course, we can still come down right there in a very short term and then create a bullish divergence, and that would be my entry. If we are going to be creating any kind of a bullish divergence, well, it's confirming for me that, well, the markets are giving once again some more strength, and that will be indicating me for entering my position. Okay, other than that, well, we are very beautifully holding this support right here. Now, technically, you could be saying, well, we are having this one right here as resistance, but I would say take this support level from of this level right here. Also, of course, because having a look in towards the VPVR indicator, well, the major level of support, of course, also comes from of this level. And whenever you drop down below this level, well, of course, you have this low volume range right here. So yeah, definitely, I think take this level right here that I've drawn, which is going to be the most important support level. If we are going to be dropping down below that, well, yeah, we can be seeing the 24K, 25K levels getting reached very quickly, but right now that it is very unlikely that that will actually be happening, because of course the macro trend is still towards the upside. We are still in a daily uptrend. We are seeing massive on-chain bullish signals, so we want to be actually bullish right here on the short term as well, because, well, the trend is your friend. Now, speaking about the trend, of course, in the very short term right here, we are still in this downtrend. So this is also the other confirmation that I want to be seeing, first of all, happening in towards the market before really going to be flipping bullish and really going to be placing our long trades. This is one thing that I want to be seeing right here in the short term. I want to be seeing this uptrend right here getting started. And for that, well, I'm having a look in towards this trend line right here. Whenever we can be breaking this trend line towards the upside, well, that will be an indication for me that we are actually going to be starting some kind of an uptrend right here in the short term. Okay, so I want to be seeing this break. And whenever we will be seeing this break towards the upside, well, I'm also going to be entering some kind of a long position. So, of course, either this bullish divergence on 4-hourly time or this break towards the upside of this resistance. Now, for the longer term, of course, well, having a look in towards this chart exactly, the 100 daily moving average, well, it has very, very beautifully predicted right here all of these tops right here, where actually from of all of these tops, well, people were actually getting very bullish, because it was looking at all of these tops like we were actually going to be breaking out towards the upside and we're actually going to be flipping the trend towards the upside. Well, we did not actually do that, and we did exactly the opposite. We dumped very massively towards the downside all of the time. And right here as well, well, all of the people were thinking we were doomed right here and we were going lower and lower. We were headed lower, but well, in the end of the day, as you can be seeing, we hit our 100 daily moving average right there exactly, and we got a beautiful bounce towards the upside. And right now, wow, the same exact thing is happening. Well, a lot of people are getting bearish. Everyone is kind of calling this 25K level to get hit, this 24K level to get hit. And whenever everyone is saying this kind of, and we are actually hitting this a very important support level, Well, I'm actually getting bullish, guys, and I've been saying this a very long time already. Okay, having a look in towards the longer term trend right here, we are perfectly retesting the weekly EMA ribbons, which is an indication for me that I want to be staying bullish at around this level. Of course, also on the 4-day time frame, we are still in the super trend bullish trend right here, and this is just indicating for me that I want to be bullish at these levels, and I do not want to be calling out random numbers down below the 20k level. I just do not see that happening right now. Okay, another very interesting thing is that, well, usually it takes about 2 months before we usually see a massive move happening in towards the market. Right here, it took 2 months and we saw this huge upwards push. Right here as well, it took about 2 months. We saw a little bit of a fake down towards the downside, but we got this huge upwards push. And right here as well, I mentioned this in yesterday's video. We also saw about 2 months of consolidation right here. And right after, we saw this massive push towards the downside. So we are entering this kind of region of about 2 months right here once again. So this usually means that, yeah, a massive move is once again imminent, and I just think it is going to be going towards the upside. Okay, and whenever we will be breaking above this very important resistance level, well, the bull market is really on, and my next target, of course, would be at about the 37.5k level, which, guys, you already know if you have been following me. So yeah, I'm keeping my eyes out on this exactly right there, on this bullish divergence or this breakout towards the upside right here. Other than that, whenever that does not happen, of course, I'm not going to be entering any kind of a long trade. Okay, these are my 2 confirmations that I want to be seeing. And guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.